What's up everyone, CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the PNW Range Composite Pedals. We're going to see how much they weigh as well. So yeah, let's get into it. So I normally run a lot of PNW parts on my bikes, handlebars, stems, but I wanted to try their pedals, the composite ones. I normally do the one-up components, composite pedals. But yeah, so here they are. I went with the black pedals for my stump jumper. We'll see which ones I like better, the one-up versus the PNW. I will definitely do a video on that soon. I believe these are a little heavier, but we'll see. So let's get to weighing them. So we're gonna weigh both these pedals together. So both of them together are 398 grams. I think online they're quoted at 390. So a little bit over. Maybe that's the scale, but yeah, I believe they're a little heavier than the one-ups though. So we'll see how they feel, because I do prioritize feel over weight. So stay tuned for a future video on that. But that's going to conclude today's video of the PNW Composite Pedals. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.